I do not know if I'm the only one that gets very excited and extremely excited when Ntloso and Dintle gets into a fight. Like, I want this fight to blow up to a point where they can see that they are not good, they are not fit for each other, they are just not meant for each other. Like, I want it to go so bad so that Ntloso can remember what kind of a wife did he let go. I want him to remember that the wife that he once had was cooking, washing, cleaning, respecting, and abekezela yonke nonsense le bekayenza. Like, I want him to ngine. Oh my goodness. So this fight between Ntloso and Dintle, just it's exactly what I want, because Dintle is not willing to back down. She's not willing to be uyebo baba. She's not willing to be ruled when financially, because she wants a 3 million house, and Ntloso saying we are going to buy a portable proper house with enough rooms. We are not going to go for 3 million because 3 million is a lot. And ngigcina lapho njengomuntu wesilisa elami liyavala angilibeki ulibeke. Yeah. And Dintle saying, I'm not also not backing down. That's not the house that I want. I want you to go, like, the house that you're gonna get, it's going to be the majukujukwini where we have to fix and do all of this shebang. That's not what I want. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal. Sanibona absheni molweni minjani. Hipukila hingangwina. So namuhla kana ngokwa hina wa Scandal hikuma kuroshula vsamisekangi kahle. Looking at the fact that Munyuza decided to go and tell Mdala the whole truth and nothing but the truth. But Mdala says, you know what? We have to keep this out of the police view, because if they have to find out that you did not tell them the truth, then that falls under obstruction of justice. So which means now uzwe ejele. But if I go then it's better than when you can, you know. So they decided that they were going to see Minky and the so-called boyfriend or whatever he is. Then when they got there, he was calling the shots. It was about them. And can we also talk about how these two people have money? They've got levels, they've got level up now, but they're still living, for me it looks like they're still living in a back room because they're renting at Vuvu's house. Okay, they're living with Vuvu, so which means they moved into Vuvu's house. Can't they afford their own? Like, just something there in my mind. But anyway, they decided to come to these two. And then when the call came here, Ugailo was calling the shot, which is Lindimali, Leomali, and then they got a phone call to say that, okay, your money is ready. And then he answered and said that I am going to tell you when and where. I'm going to send you the location where we're going to come and pick up the money. But the twist is, Lababoitu, Umdala, they have to decide who is going to be the one that's going to collect the money. Now, it got very interesting when Utlohi says, actually, I will go because I'm the one, so I need to do something. What did she do? She went to the popo, child. She went to the police and said, Mr. Cohen, niti from Matomong. And I'm asking myself, does Mr. Cohen understand? What does it mean? Okay, anywho, so I don't understand why I'm screaming. It's like I'm rewatching it again. But okay, so Mr. Cohen, she then asked to say, you know what? I hope that I don't live to regret what I'm about to do. Just hoping that you take this by faith. But then on the other hand, when we speak of faith, umama lo okhonzayo umadlomo une boyfriend, and le boyfriend le bayenza itlaf endlini. Kodwa ke siyabonga ke ngoba lo tlaf abamenzayo ucansi lolu abalenzayo lapha basebenzisa ijazi lomkhwenyana laze latholwa ubani uNhloso. Also started asking questions. But now, after that, then Umtanake decided, I'm going to ask Ulihle, because Ulihle, pata on a boyfriend, pata, she's loping and stuff. Probably now, she's back to her old ways. Now, Ulihle started by saying no. As time goes, she realized, wait, just liga ma. Then she came up with a story to say maybe somebody walked in with it, and then it could be anybody else's, because so no man, I did not really disclose to him to say that is Ishandisiam. I know that merchandise. She didn't. She just kept quiet and pretend as if she doesn't know what is happening. On the other hand, pretending of you don't know what is happening. Umama kaBhotsozo uyajola uthengisa ngamanene pants. So she is actually uyathengisa on a professional level, because now tell me why now everybody saw her and now khona le ndaba kuthiwa ubaba Semidi watholakala ATM ayokhipha u-3,000 rand. Now the question is to tell or not to tell uPotsotso. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you on my next upload.